What's going on, folks? If you ever had a problem with your vehicle to where it runs rough, especially in the morning time you're first starting your car up, also especially in the morning when you start your car up, you smell a strong gas smell. More than likely the problem that you may be having with your car is your fuel pressure regulator is gone bad, which is this right here. And you can look right here, this is your fuel pressure regulator that's right here. And when that goes bad, one thing that you may notice is that when you pop your hood, you'll notice that there's gas on the rim of your fuel pressure regulator right here. This is on most cars, and it pretty much does the same thing on most cars also, which is regulate the pressure of your fuel. And what can happen sometimes with these is the diaphragm that's inside of it can rupture, that's in the top of your fuel pressure regulator can rupture. When this happens, you'll get gas that's coming out of your regulator itself. Now, sometimes what you can do also to make sure this is what's wrong with your vehicle is, you can see this hose right here, kind of just want to pop that hose off. And when you pop that hose off a lot of times, what you'll notice is there will be gas, like you'll see gas on the rim of the opening that plugs on top of your fuel pressure regulator, as well as sometimes if you have your car running and you have this off, you'll actually see gas coming out of this little hole right here going all around the top of your regulator. So this also a lot of time is your problem if you take your car to like AutoZone or something and have it tested and it comes back with a reading of it's running too rich. A lot of time this could be an issue also is your fuel pressure regulator is bad. And like I said, one of the big signs of this is a strong gas smell that you can get inside of your vehicle once you first start up, especially in the morning time, like if you turn on your heat or your AC or something. So this right here is one I removed from this one that was bad, and gas was coming all out the top. The gas was coming out that top hole right here, and what was going on, the gas was being sucked back into your intake through this pipe right here. It was being sucked into your intake right here. So once I replaced this fuel pressure regulator right here, it pretty much took care of the problem, as well as it'll make your vehicle run bad when it comes to your gas mileage and all that. It seems like you're just constantly losing gas, and that also could be the problem. Alright folks, once again, this could be the problem with your vehicle if you have a strong gas smell, as well as your vehicle is running really rough and sometimes cutting off, as well as if you had a reading of it's running rich. Alright, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.